Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Usually, what we do when we fall sick, suppose if there is pain in our stomach or pain in the leg or whatever it is, generally we go to the doctor and take medicine. Am I right? But I'm having a friend, she never goes to the doctor. Then what she does? She goes to the internet. She searches there. And according to that, she takes the medicine and she will be all right. She never goes to the doctor. And not only that, even when we go to the doctor and if the doctor prescribes some medicine and gives us, immediately she refers to the internet and she just finds out what is what and all, is it good or bad and all like this. And then she tells, okay, take this, otherwise don't take. Now you are knowing modern gadgets, they can ensure that people are always on high alert. Rest and sleep are affected and relaxation becomes a casualty. Psychologists have formally documented internet use as disorder as a formal mental disease. Technology overuse is a real and present danger. Now tell me, doctors, they have learnt a lot about the medicine, they are having knowledge, correct knowledge I mean. Then whether we have to trust them or whether we have to trust the gadgets. No doubt you trust the gadgets, but I feel at least when we are sick and all, we should go to the doctor and take his advice. Even in the same way, we are having nowadays so many of us, if we want to prepare any new recipe, immediately we go to the net or YouTube or anything and we go according to that. Even children, to learn any new things, they are more interested learning from the net. Why that? The other day while sitting and talking, someone told it is not good to cross legs and sit. Immediately my friend took the help of the Google, find out, but there she found both there were for and there were against, both the things were there. Now, what I feel is, no, net is good, it gives us knowledge, I do agree, I do take help. But even then, I feel that we should reduce the impact of that. In other words, the remote should be in our hands. I mean, when to stop, how long to watch, it should be in our own hands. Then what we can do to reduce the impact? We should have a fixed time for TV or for videos or whatever it is. But it should not be more than 2 hours a day, whatever it is. And next thing is, initiate technology-free time at home during meals time. Otherwise, I have seen sometimes people, they go on eating and on the other hand, they are having their mobile in their hand and they are just immersed in that. They won't be knowing how many rotis they ate. Even when they finish their food, if you ask them what vegetable was there, they won't be able to tell you because they were immersed in the thing what they were watching. So it should not happen, and we should give some time to our parents, children. We should share the things. It is very, very important. Set apart time for accessing and answering messages. Put your phone on silent mode. You do not have to leap up every time someone calls you. You can always answer when you are really able to invest quality time. You don't need to be on call all the time unless you are a doctor or any emergency solver. If you are of that kind, okay. Otherwise, you should not. No need. Afterwards, we can look at their calls and we can answer them back. It is not when we are eating, we should pick up the phone, or when you are busy with some work, you should do it. No, don't do that. And for all this, what we should do is, see, whenever necessary, as I told you, any physical disease and all, I feel that doctor should be first, then internet and all the things later. And consult the doctor regularly to engage in condition and monitoring your health. It is not that only when we are seriously ill, when we are seriously in need, we go to the doctor. No. At least once in a year, we should have a complete checkup. And I feel self-medication is not good. Or taking prescription from the internet. We should not follow this. Because there are authorities, those who have learned so many years, doctors are there. I feel that, and after all, you are knowing, we human beings, so that they can understand better than any machine. And have a daily schedule filled with exercise, diet, and meditation. And a very important thing is, we should be happy in our life. We should spend time with our family, friends, or even if you want to enjoy, okay, go enjoy anything. But more than the internet or all these gadgets, I feel that human beings are the real friends. So it is in our hands how much we should follow the gadgets or whatever needed immediately for anything. We refer to the net and we buy medicines according to that and use it. I don't know how far good it is. At least I don't agree with that. I don't know what you feel. And for studies and all, it is okay. We can learn new methods are there. You can learn from anyone on this earth. Okay, it is okay. But whereas medicines are concerned, I feel the real doctors, because they know us, they will tell you what you should, they know your things, they know your nature and everything. So I feel consulting a doctor is always better than having medicines from the net. So we should use the net. It is good. I know that it is having what I can say, a lot of knowledge and everything. But even then, we should be the masters of net, not the slaves of net. Have a good day.